Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our live trading session. Today is Wednesday, the 26th of November, and we're going to try to find some good setups, nice opportunities, and we're going to try to make some money, of course. So, guys, before we start our live trading session, please let me know if you can hear me, if the visual is okay. So, before we start, I need a few more seconds. Let me know. I will double check over here if everything is working. Should be fine, but it's better to check, okay? It's better to check. Hi, hi, Lorenzo. Is everything working? Everything is okay? Let me know. Okay, I got information that everything should be working, so we can start our live trading session. So what we gonna do today? Guys, we're gonna focus on all-in ASAP strategy, the strategy which is working the best in the morning, especially early morning. Now it's a little bit late because it's 9 a.m. Central East time, but we're gonna check because we should have some targets left behind, and we're gonna try to use them to make some good profits. Okay, so before we check the charts, we need to check macroeconomic calendar. So let's start from that. It's very important to check it before every single session. Okay, so we are looking at high impact news. Because during those hours, we can expect high volatility, unexpected moves on the market, and that can lead to losses, or you can lose your account, you can uh, hit bigger stop losses. So we don't want to do that. We want to avoid those hours, and we're trying not to trade during news. Okay, I know there is some pattern you can use for news, but only for non-farm payrolls, interest rate decisions, and CPI in United States. Okay, so let's have a look at our calendar. This morning we had some interest rate decisions in New Zealand. So uh, I think something happened in the morning on charts on US NZD USD. So we're gonna check that in a second. But what's coming up? So 10 a.m. Nothing important. We got 1:30 p.m. In Great Britain, we got autumn forecast statement, which is marked as high impact news, and we need to be careful. So we need to include that in our trading plan. Okay, so later on 2:30 p.m. in United States we got unemployment climbs. This is high impact also. So guys, if you are in different time zone, if you live in different country, that's for sure, remember to change time zone on the website. Okay, over here you can change it time zone, so set your local time so you won't miss anything. Okay, this is Central East time, and at the moment we got 9:04 a.m. Later on, we don't have any important news, but we need to remember that 4:30 we got crude oil inventories, and these news are coming up every single week on Wednesdays, usually at 4:30 p.m. Okay, so later on we're gonna include that in our trading plan if we're gonna look for any opportunities on crude oil. All right, so I know 130 British pound and 230 all the currency pairs related to US dollar. We need to be careful. But we still got plenty of time, so I think we can still look for some nice trades in the morning. So let's move on to the charts and let's check what's going on today. Let's start from Euro USD. So we're gonna go through all the major currency pairs plus gold and crude oil. Okay, let me just remove the things we don't need at this moment. So like you can see, I got all-in panel. This all-in panel allows me to set daily targets. It's showing only unsettled targets. Plus I can set previous day, week, month highs and lows. Also, it will show me clusters. I can check some statistics. Uh, Something it doesn't work over here. 1 second. Let me just remove it. Object list, list all, delete. Okay, let's put that back again. All in panel. All in panel. Okay. So we can check imbalances, swings, and there is Pharaoh mode. This is tool that allows you to maximize your profit. So instead of opening one position, you can open 4 positions. With the trailing stop, it's setting break even if you are getting to specific levels. So the risk is same. So if you want to risk 1% per trade, you want to get 2%. That's okay. But you can use Pharaoh mode and you can still risk 1% and you can get like 6% or even more. So it's quite good. Maybe we're gonna use it one day. Maybe today. We will see. So first of all, we need to check if we got any targets. This tool only showing me targets which are not settled yet. What that mean? That means that the price didn't get to that target yet. We still can use it, but we need to check how far is this target. This is 50 pips away. So there might be a chance to get to that target, but we need to find out what is the market structure today. Market structure, it looks like it's bullish. Okay, looks like it's bullish. We got swing low, swing high, swing low. So we are going up. We are in bullish market structure. That means this target might be good for us. Okay, I want to find out if we got any support resistance zone that can help us to make the right decision. This area is quite interesting. We had reaction of buyers, again buyers, then retest of this area, reaction, retest, reaction. We are breaking through, so we can use that area to go up, basically. So we are retesting this area right now. Like you can see, it's looking pretty good. I want to check if we can find any rotation channel, because this might help us also. So we can try to do it from the bottom, but it might be hard. Let's check the top. Hmm. If this is working, I cannot say it is because we got only one reaction, but we might see something like that, drop down, okay? I'm not sure if it's working, so I'm gonna remove it because there is only one reaction, so I don't care too much about that. Okay, let's check previous day high and low, previous week and previous month. We can remove previous month and previous week. Actually, we can leave previous week because it's just before the target. So maybe it's gonna be better idea to set take profit just few pips before target, okay? Hello, Sebastian. Okay, and let's check if we got any clusters. Yeah, and there is a cluster right before target, so our take profit probably will be here if we're gonna open position. Is this gonna work? I'm not sure. I'm not sure, but if the price will drop a little bit lower and we're gonna go back up, maybe we can use it. So I'm gonna leave it for now. I'm not sure if it's gonna work because here we had some kind of range, and basically here we can see the price was moving up. We got retest, so this might be interesting. I'm not saying this is, perfect for me, but it doesn't look too bad. Market structure is bullish. We don't have any clusters on the way, except this one here right before target. So we are retesting very important support resistance zone, and hopefully we're gonna stay here. We're gonna bounce, and after breaking through previous day high, probably we can think about the trade, but we need reaction of buyers, okay? So we got two options. First one is reaction now. So we need bullish candle closing above previous day high, and then might open the position with stop loss like this and take profit at previous week high. So risk to reward 1 to 2. That's the first option. Okay, I'm gonna make a screenshot. Okay. Trading Journal, ASAP strategy, and today is 26th of November. Okay, and this is Euro USD, 1 hour time frame. Okay. And we got the second option. If this gonna work, the trend line, we're supposed to go back down, bounce from exponential moving average, bounce from the bottom of this channel, and then after the breakout, I can set order to get to the target. Stop loss under this support resistance zone and also 221. So this is looking very similar, but one scenario saying that we should bounce now from this support resistance zone. The other one saying that we're gonna bounce from this rotation channel, but we need to come back up. We need to be on the other side of this support resistance zone, okay? So let me just make a screenshot. Okay, so I have two USD. If there will be a reaction to support to resistance zone and the from risk to reward 1 to 2, my take profit will be few pips before previous week high. Okay. Second plan, price needs to bounce from the bottom of rotation channel. No. close above previous day high. Rotation channel and exponential moving average, and then it should close above previous day high. Stop loss will be under support resistance zone with risk to reward 1, 2, 2. Okay, so we got two different plans. This is Euro USD, but for this one we will have to wait. The best part, waiting for the perfect entry. All right, guys, so let's move forward. We don't have any targets we can use for reaction. So let's move to the GBP USD. There is targets which is around 23 pips higher. Interesting. Because if this candle will close above exponential moving average, it might be good moment for us to open the position. But we got still 45 minutes for this candle to close. So we will have to wait. We will have to wait. Let me just double check. Yeah. Target. Let's check market structure. Market structure from 4-hour time frame is definitely bullish. Okay, 1-hour time frame. If the market structure from 4-hour time frame is bullish, look at this area, double top from 1-hour time frame, 4-hour time frame, double top. There was a reaction, but good. Maybe we're gonna try to retest this area one more time, or maybe they will try to break through. We need to see what's gonna happen with this candle. In the meantime, let's check previous day high. Come on. I don't know why it's not working on GBP USD. Doesn't matter. I need to check clusters. I cannot use all-in panel because something. Oh, there is cluster. I think it's old cluster. Okay. So let's check if we got any clusters. I need Fibonacci tool. So let me just find my Fibonacci tool. Multi-Fibo. Check previous day high and low. I'm looking for the clusters. Okay. This is previous day high and low. Let's move to 4-hour time frame. One second, why it disappeared? What's going on? Multi-fibo panel remove. One more time. What the? Okay, don't worry, you're gonna do it in different way. High and low, let me just check properties. 38, 50, 61.2, 161. Okay, good. I just changed color. Okay, so this is previous day high low. 4-hour time frame. Let's check high and low. I'm gonna change color for blue and previous day, previous month. Sorry, high and low. Hi Bartosz, I have a long on gold. Good. We're gonna check gold in a second. Okay, so do we have any clusters near our target? Not really. We got clusters over here, but not near the target. So we cannot use it for reaction. Unfortunately, no. No clusters. Okay, this one here, we're gonna have to wait. It's a bit tight over here. A bit tight, because if the price will close above exponential moving average, we might have just right 20 pips. So maybe 1 to 1, but we need to wait for this candle to finish. Maybe we're gonna have space, maybe not. We will see. So if this candle is gonna close like this, and we're gonna have 20 pips, I will open the position with risk to reward 1 to 1. Okay, something like that. But let's leave it for now. USD CHF daily target. It's quite far away, 78 pips. I don't think we're gonna get there today. Maybe during the news, but not at this moment. So let's leave it. USD CAD. USD CAD has a target which is a little bit higher, and there is cluster. We are 36 pips away. I don't think we're gonna go back here before news, so I'm not setting order for reaction because it doesn't make sense. Let's check 4-hour time frame. We got some cluster over here. What is the market structure from 4-hour time frame? I think we are bearish because looking at the latest swings, swing over here, swing over here. So over in this place, we got break of market structure. So we are on the way down, basically. So I don't like this one. I know we got cluster. We might bounce from this cluster. We might go up. But we need the right market structure. If we want to look for the perfect setup, everything must be working. It's looking good. 38.2 from this impulse. Okay. Correction. There is a chance that we're gonna get there, but it's like 50-50 for me, okay? So I don't want setups 50-50. I want setups where I'm sure about this trade, okay? Over here, I'm not sure. I'm not setting order for reaction because I don't think we're gonna get there before the news. So it doesn't make sense because I will have to remove it anyway. So let's leave it. Let's look for some other trade. USD JPY might be interesting. And remove. Where is all in panel? Good. Oh, no, good. This one here. Okay. Oh, these are different targets. No, this is 4-hour time frame. Sorry, guys. We have a target right here, which is around 80 pips, is looking good, but we need to check market structure. And market structure is saying that we are on the way down, on the way down. We can look for some market switch, but I need to add one of these trend lines. And maybe we can use it, but from lower time frame, we will have to wait for the breakout and retest. We might have a chance to go up. Okay, remember this is in wrong market structure. So 1-hour time frame. If I want to do it from lower time frame, I can use swings from 1-hour time frame. Okay, and the latest swings are this one. So from 1 hour time frame, we are bullish. Okay, that's why I can use 15 minutes time frame to enter the position, but we need to wait for perfect conditions. So let's check previous day high and low. Okay, there is previous day high on the way to the target. It's okay, I don't mind. And the cluster, we are just right before the cluster, which is good. I like this cluster, to be honest. I will tell you why. I like this cluster because there is a chance. This is also some kind of support resistance zone, which is working very well, like you can see. Okay, nice reactions, retests, and we are getting close to this area. So if we're gonna break through this cluster and we're gonna have retest of this trend line, and the price will close above the cluster, okay, we're gonna break through this cluster again. This is gonna be a right moment for me to enter the position. Remember, we don't have much time, so maybe in hour or two, yes, but later on, hour before news, it's not gonna be a good idea. And here we can have 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, which is good. And yeah, we might have a chance to get to the full take profit, but it's 9:30. So like I said, maybe till 11 a.m. I can still open position because we need to leave some time before news, okay? Because if we're gonna do it 1 hour before news, then market may stay in the range, and gonna go up and down, and at the end I will have to close it anyway. So this might be good. I'm gonna make a screenshot. This is 15 minutes time frame. Hello, Krzysztof. Hello. Okay, so this is 15 minutes time frame. Let's go to trading journal, and this is USD JPY. 15 minutes time frame. Okay. 4 hour time frame is bearish, but I am looking at 1 hour time frame structure. Find perfect entry from 15 minutes time frame. I need to wait for the price to break and retest the trend line, and there above cluster. Risk to reward 1 to 2. Maximum time for this trade till 11, let's say 30 maximum AM. Okay, so I'm gonna look for another 2 hours. If there will be opportunity, I will open the trade. If not, I will have to leave it because of the news. Okay, so no rush, guys. USD JPY. All right. Okay, let's move to the next one. Let's move to the next one. USD JPY, Australian dollar. What's going on Australian dollar? We got previous day target, but this is quite far away. 46 pips, and we got 66 pips. If we're gonna check average trading range from yesterday, it's 40 pips. Over here it's 29, not too much, 39. So we might have problem to get here. It might take us longer than 1 day. Depends what's gonna happen during the news. But it's too far for me, simply too far. Okay, so let's move to New Zealand dollar. New Zealand dollar also quite far. We got some move that wasn't in the morning. Why it's something is wrong over here. 25th of November was yesterday. So where is the chart from today? No, it's the 26th. Yeah, you can see this was in the morning. That was because of interest rate decision, 66 pips. Good. Nice. So we are in the middle between those two targets I'm not interested in. Let's move forward. Crude oil might be nice. Crude oil is looking pretty good. I think it's looking pretty good. We got a lot of space. Let me just remove the things we don't need on the charts. And this is some old stuff. Okay, I'm gonna remove daily target. Let's check 4 hour time frame. And what is the market structure? According to the latest swings, we are in bearish market structure. Okay, break of structure, break of structure. We are going down for sure. Okay, and where we can go, maybe there is a chance we're gonna retest this low right here, or but the target is closer. The target is right here, so we got plenty of space. We can try to find some kind of rotation channel, support, resistance, trend line. Okay, I think it's looking pretty good. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. Yes, we got some nice reactions from the top. We can see that this is working. And I think, yeah, yesterday we had a plan. The price should come back here and we should see reaction. Let's have a look. I think we had that plan in mind yesterday. So 25th. Yes, this is planned from yesterday. Look, the second plan, this one here. Bounce and go down to the target right here. So that was planned from yesterday, and look what happened. That's why we are making plans. I didn't open this trade, but I cannot catch every single trade, okay? Sometimes I make a plan, but no time for me to place the trade. Doesn't matter. We got another date today, so maybe we can enter position soon. Okay, let's check previous day, high and low. We got previous week on the way, and this previous week is also some kind of support resistance zone. So I'm gonna mark this area right here. I'm gonna remove it. So I know there is some kind of zone where the price can bounce. Okay. Um, Nice, 61.8. This is looking good. Guys, do we have enough space to open the trade? Let me check the clusters. No clusters here. It doesn't look too bad. It doesn't look too bad, so can we do something in this space? If we're gonna open position right now, stop loss probably should be like this, because if we're gonna do small stop loss, there is a chance that we're gonna hit stop loss. Be careful on crude oil because you need to include spreads as well. So maybe this is not the best idea, but let me just check something else. If we're gonna set order in this place, we got 80 pip, so stop loss should be for 40. And this can make sense to set a pending order in this area. So wait for correction. Our stop loss will be in nice place because even if the price will come back, maybe we're gonna bounce from this rotation channel and go back down. So we're gonna have stop loss few pips higher, but the price is dropping down. And to be honest, this candle was perfect to enter the position with 1 to 1.5 maybe, okay? Now we are a bit late because this is another candle. I don't want to enter position when the price is running away. I'm not chasing the market, okay? So we can set position, but probably I will do it by setting a pending order in this area. This is some kind of support resistance zone. If my position will be activated, that's good. I got my stop loss will be quite far away, risk to reward 1 to 2, and I think we can do that. So I'm gonna set order for pending order on this one here. Mm, this is 57.80. 1 hour time frame. They might not come back, but let's see. Risk on pending order. Pending order will be here. I need to include spread, so it needs to be here. Okay, so stop loss in points for around 40 pips. Yes, it can be 40. Value percent. I want to risk 0.4. Yes, I can risk 0.4. Take profit, price, value. Points. Let's say 80. Let me just check where is this target. It's somewhere in the bottom, nearly this place. Okay, sell limit. Okay, I've set the order, limit order, and we'll see if they can come back to open our trades. If they're gonna go straight down, I will remove this order, okay? But we still might have a chance to get into the trade, but I want to enter from the better place, from the better level. Stop loss is, I think it's in good place. I think it's in good place because if the price will slowly go back up, this trend line should be like a security guard for us. If we're gonna break through, I want to jump out from this trade. That means I'm not right, and I will hit stop loss. I want to jump out from this trade if we're gonna break through this trend line. Okay. So the price is slowly coming back. So hopefully this trade will be activated. Let me just add targets at the bottom. Come on. Yellow. Okay, we can add text, and this is target. Okay, so we will see. I'm just gonna save the screenshot. Let me just check if it's set pending orders. Yes, it is. Good. Order is set. Let me just make screenshot. Good. Save it, save it, save it, save it. Copy, and let's go to trading journal. Okay, and 26th of December, and this is crude oil, 1 hour time frame. Okay, market from 4 hour time frame, it bearish. Price is moving in rotate channel. We are going back. Good. 1 hour time frame. And this correction should be to exponential moving average, which is good. I'm waiting for pullback to exponential moving average 21. So I set pending order with risk to reward 1, 2, 2, and my stop loss is set above the rotation channel. This trade, okay? No clusters on the way. There is only one zone, which I need to be careful. As we'll get to that zone, I will secure my trade for break even or Good. No. Very good. All right. So let's see. The price is going back. The trade is not activated yet, but we are close. We are close for the activation. Not too far. Okay. Okay, Sebastian, very good. But remember that you are trading at your own risk. Okay. Be careful and calculate your risk and stuff like that because I may be wrong as well. Okay. So I might hit stop loss. So just to let you know. Okay. Because if I would know that this is 100% winning trade, I would go all in. So I would make $100,000 on one trade, but there is always a chance that we're gonna hit stop loss. Okay, the price is slowly coming back. The trade should be activated very soon. So let's wait and see what's gonna happen. Okay. And we got that in our trading journal. So let's check gold. What's going on gold? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Gold, gold, gold. Over here. One hour time frame. Let's check where is the targets. There's no target, unfortunately. I cannot see any target close by. I know someone was saying just arrived. I missed the meeting. Alan, yes, you missed it. You missed the meeting. Okay, I will send you message. We're gonna try to arrange another time. Okay. Okay, I have long on gold. Okay, Daniel, where is your target? Are you still in trade? Because you said you are long in gold, but are you using all in ASAP targets or you just open position to go up? What was your plan? Any target, all in ASAP target? This is strong area. Okay, no target. So there's nothing to do on gold basically. And let's check if trade is activated. Not yet. Not yet. We still need few more pips for this trade to be activated. And $8,000 to get. $8,000 is my take profit. Come on. Few more pips. I know they can do it. Mm, 80 pips take profit. 80 pips take profit. Let me just add that support resistance zone so I know where it is exactly. Okay, I need to set break even if the price will get to this support resistance zone because it was reacting. Look, strong reaction of buyers, another reaction, another reaction. Here we got reaction as well. Here there was a reaction, then the breakout, price came back on this side, and there is a chance that we're gonna bounce from this again. I'm not saying the price will reverse, but maybe there will be reaction small, maybe bigger one. So it's good to secure the trade at least on break even. Okay, break even means zero, so we won't risk anything. But first, the trade needs to be activated. So we need to wait few more minutes. The price is slowly going up. There is also the spread around 2-3 pips on crude oil. Yeah, it's 3 pips. It's normal. It's quite big usually on crude oil. So we need to include that in the trading plan. I wanted to set position a few pips higher, but I need to include spread because many times I had situation that I've set position, the price got to the level, but the trade wasn't open because of the spread. They went down without me, and I was frustrated. So now I'm setting this order like 2-3 pips lower. Come on, let's make some money, guys. Let's make some money. Come on, few more pips, and the trade will be activated. 7 pips, eight maybe, 8 pips. Come on, come on. Okay, so we got plan for USD JPY, USD CHF. So let's check if anything changed on USD JPY. Not yet. I think there is reaction. We can say that there is a reaction at support resistance zone. Look at this. It's very close, and we got few reactions. So someone is defending this area. Okay, sellers are defending this area. So if the buyers will take over, we're gonna wait for the retest of the support resistance zone, and we need to wait for the candle to close above the cluster. Then we are ready to go to the target with risk to reward at least 122. Okay, so that's our plan. But first, we need to break through, retest, and the price needs to close above the cluster. So we won't have any uh, clusters or zones that can block us from getting to our target. And also, we got one more trade on Euro USD. Euro USD. Okay. The first plan, for sure, it's not going to happen because we are going down. Okay. If we are going down, the second plan, so this rotation channel needs to work, and I need to see the price to break through this support resistance zone, and the best if we're going to close above previous day high. It's not necessary, just we need to close, to be honest, above this support resistance zone. I want to be on the other side, okay? And then we can enter the position. So now we need to wait. The price is dropping down. Hopefully we're going to bounce from this rotation channel. If not, there is a chance that the price will drop down later, okay? So now we need to stop and we need to see reaction, bullish reaction, okay? Okay, let's go back to crude oil. Trade is activated. Yes, the trade is activated, guys. So now fingers crossed. Hopefully we're gonna get to the full take profit. Trade is activated, and like you can see, I told you I don't want to open position when the market is running away, because if I would open position here, I would be already in loss and probably halfway to my stop loss. Now I got much better entry to the position, and my stop loss is in a good place because it's above trend line. Okay, so if we're gonna break through trend line, I'm pretty sure there will be stop loss. Okay, but this is our security guard. So now I need bearish reaction, nice bearish reaction. Let's go down. Let's go down at least over here so we can secure the trade. So I don't need to risk anything. You can see perfect entry. If the price will drop now, we're gonna have sniper entry. Come on. Let's go, let's go, let's go. $8,000 to get from this trade. My risk is $4,000. It's 5 minutes. Let's check 1 hour time frame. To check some volume levels. Do we have any volume levels in that area? And let's check it out. Volume edge. Okay, volume edge. We to have a volume level down there and on the way to our target. Okay. All right. Something is wrong over here. Why it's showing like this? Okay, guys, now all we need to do is to wait for the price to hit take profit or stop loss. I will secure the trade if we're gonna go lower for break even, but now I need to wait and see what's gonna happen. I'm not moving stop loss now. If we're gonna get around this area close to this support resistance zone, I will set break even. But for now, I'm not changing anything. I'm not moving my stop loss. If the price will go higher, we're gonna hit stop loss. That's fine. Uh, we can't avoid stop losses, guys. Remember, this is part of this business, and we're gonna have stop losses. I know it's better if we get take profits. We got nice take profits this week. Let's go last 7 days. We got nice take profits this week, but like here, we had small stop loss. We got more take profits, and hopefully this one gonna finish with take profit. If not, no worries. Later on, we're gonna look for some other trades. Okay, it's not gonna be sniper entry, but still we got plenty space for our stop loss. So let's leave it, guys, and we're gonna check that trade later on. Later on our afternoon session, during US session, we're gonna check what's going on crude oil. Do we have stop loss, take profit? So we're gonna check that trade, and of course, I will look for the trade on USD JPY. If the price will break through or retest this area, like I said before, I'm gonna enter the trade, and also I will look at Euro USD because there is reaction in the rotation channel. So maybe later on there will be possibility to open the trade. At this moment, we're gonna finish this session, guys. Trade is open. Nothing else to do. Just need to wait and see if we can get take profits. So, guys, thank you for this session, and I will see you later on in about 4 hours' time. So, next session, we're gonna try to look for some opportunities using second strategy price action cycle. We're gonna jump into 5 minutes time frame, 3 minutes time frame, and we're gonna mostly focus on gold, crude oil, Euro USD, and S&P 500. So thank you guys for your attention. I wish you good luck, a lot of profits, and I will see you later. Take care, guys.